Hello everyone and welcome to Ajiro Tech. Ajiro Tech. In this video, we're going to be looking at the CIE IGCSE Information and Communication Technology, the course code 04117, Paper 3 website authoring. Looking at May, June 2020, and we're looking at the second variant. So let's dive in. Okay, evidence document. I'm not sure if I'm just going to check again. Just check. Evidence. Okay, I think we did. Yeah, evidence document. Okay, but probably we just saved it anyhow. So let's do it. Let's do the right thing. So make sure your name, center number, account number will appear on every page of this document. Okay, insert, header. I'm just gonna put it left, right, left, the center, all right. Okay, so I'm gonna put it a gyro in the comma AN 017 2023. Okay, save this evidence document in your work area as followed by your candidate number, for example. Okay, click on file, click on save as. Okay, right, that's saved. Okay, you will need your evidence document during the examination to place screenshot when required. Task 2 web page. You're going to create a web page for the Leonon Beach dive resort in the Philippines. The web page must work in any browser. All color codes must be in hexadecimal. Okay, create a new folder called AB. Okay, so I'm just going to create a folder here. Right click, click on new, click on folder. Okay, locate the following files and store them in your AB folder. So let me just locate them real quick. So I think there are 7 items. Right click, cut, right click, paste. 7 items. I'm just quickly going to check. Let me do details. So we have 4 JPEG, 1 video, 1 CSS. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now open the file. Okay, let me open the file. Now I'm going to use my pin.net. Okay, open the file 20. Let me check. I wonder why we're opening it though. This is 20 accom. Okay, alright, so let me open it here. Click on file, click on open. Okay, so I'm just going to open it here. I'm just looking for it. Account. Okay, 2032 account. That's it right there. Now they said crop this image to remove the top. So that the image is okay. To remove the top. Okay, so want to actually remove the top. Okay, okay, this is what we're gonna do. click here. Now obviously I'll have to do here, and I'm going to start here. So I just want to get it, let me be sure, 456 pixels high. So okay, okay, okay. So actually that's the top, because now we have the top, the middle, and the bottom. So if we're using a ruler, let's do this. Okay, so this is from 0 to 700, right? So obviously from 700, okay, let's just highlight everything. Okay, so 0 to 700. So if we're doing this, we'll move it here, this would be 200. Okay, so another 200 here, that's 1 2 3. Okay, and we have 1 2 3, and we have, okay, so obviously that is correct. So you just have to use your measurements to do that, right? To see that this 1 2 3 part is taken off. um, we have 1 2 3, and we have 1 2 3. So this is fine by me. So I'm just going to crop to selection. Okay, so I'm going to resize it. Okay, the weight is what? 265. I was so close. Okay, so okay, let's do the size. The weight is going to be what? 265. The height is going to be, the height is going to be 456. 456. Let me see. Okay, 456. I'm not going to maintain any aspect ratio. 456 265. So I was even correct with the width. 456, which is still fine. It's okay by me. Yep, it's okay. I'm going to save it. What am I saving it as? Save this image as this. I'm just going to save it. Copy. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to save it like this. Okay. 70 is okay. Yep, it's okay. Yeah. Display the content of your AB folder, showing the folder name, or file name, extension, image dimension, and file size. So the only thing remaining is just the dimension. So I'm going to sort it by this. Okay, obviously I want to see the width and the height of this. Where is it here? Yes. They want to see the width and the height of this. Let me see. 265. So this is the width, this is the height. I'm going to take a snipping tool. This is going to be evidence 1. Okay. Create a web page. Create a web page called ab.htm. This web page must work in all browsers, and we have a table structure as shown below. So obviously the width of this is going to be 855. Yeah, let's check. Okay, let me bring out my calculator. Let's do some little math. 265 times 3. Okay, so 800 it is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Really? No, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So let's create it. Let me get my web expression open. Let me close this. Click on file. Alright, click here. Click on table. Insert tables. We have 3 columns. Then we have 5 rows. I want to be sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. With a width of 855. 855. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so obviously the first two is going to be merged. Let's split it as it has been our nature. So you can see that this particular row, all the table details have been highlighted. Click on modify, click on merge cell, highlight this other one, right click on modify, click on merge cell. Okay, you see that it's a co-span because the columns have been merged. This other two as well, right click, modify, merge cell. You can see that is row, the rows has been merged. Right click, modify, merge cell. Okay, so let's each table cell is identified with a letter and all dimensions are in pixels. The letter and dimensions shown in the table must not appear on the final web page. Now they say the table borders must appear on the final web page. Table shows the spacing between the cell, which should be set when your stash is attached in step 9. Okay, all right, so let's do this real quick. I have this. I'm going to right click, cell properties. The width has been specified, only the height. This is 200. Okay, going to apply this. But let's check the table properties just to be sure. Okay, pixels. Right click here, cell properties. The height, I think the height is 400. Let's check. Okay, 480. I'm going to apply it. Okay, what else? And you can also see that each of the table has been applied with normal HTML. Normal HTML talks about your style is equals to your height. This is an inline style equals to the height. And okay, so the other one, they are practically the same. So I'm going to highlight this, right click on cell properties. The width is going to be 265, and the height is going to be 60. So probably I think that's the text in there. Okay, I'm going to apply it. Okay, the other one is 265, 456, the both of them. Right click, cell properties, Okay, we have 456. Nope. The height. Sorry, put the width and height. Sorry. 265 as the width. 265 and 456. Now that is the reason why we needed to do that. 265, 456. Apply. Okay. The other one is 265. Right click, cell property. The width is 265 and the height is 274. Apply. And we have this as well, the last one, 265, 162. Right click, cell properties. The width is 265 and the height is 162. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead. Place in cell A the image 2032 logo. Cell A is right here. Just want to see how this is structured. Okay. So I'm going to click here. Nope, right here. I'm just going to add logo. Okay. Place in cell B a placeholder. Okay. Cell B is right there. A placeholder 855 pixels wide and 480 pixels high, containing the video clip. Display an automated text-based error if the browser does not support this video type. Okay. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on insert media, Windows media player, all files. Okay. Right click on active X control, object tag. So the width is going to be what? The width is going to be 855 and 480. Now if we go back to the question, you see that okay, 855, okay, 480. All right, so that's actually correct. Now the alternative is going to be browser does not support copy. Once again, all right, I'm going to apply it. I'm going to OK it. I'm going to save it. Oh, we haven't saved this already. Oh, my bad. AB, copy, click on file, click on save as. Let me preview this in. Okay, so we are having this issue that is not playing, so let's fix it now. Okay, so we're going to go to code. Okay, and we're just going to do this video, and we're going to close the tag as well. Video, we're going to remove literally everything here. Okay, okay, the type, so this is going to be controls, so we don't need a type here, probably we just cut it. And now this is going to be, we're going to take this out. This is going to be the source, SRC, and this is going to be this. Okay, now value does not display, it's going to be this, and the type is going to be video slash whatever it is in OGG or .mkv or 3GGP or something, or whatever video extension is going to be, it's going to be, so it's going to be video slash the extension you have. That's what it means, video slash the extension you have. Okay, so yes, we're done, and we're just going to save this. Now if we go back to, if we right click on this, we see that this is now playing. Let me see, let me play it. Oh, that's actually cool. Nice. Okay, all right, that's some form of entertainment, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. So we have CDE. Okay, CDE. So obviously I knew it was going to be a test. So this is going to be location, copy. Now don't worry that the video is not showing, guys. Don't worry, it is right there. Just continue. Okay, the other one is accommodation, copy. Then we have beach, E for the beach. Place in cell FGH. Let's check FGH. Let me see. Okay, F the image. Okay, so this is FGH. Okay, noted. Okay, 2032 view right here. So this is going to be I'm just going to use appropriate text location. Okay. And this as well is going to be the accommodation. Okay, accommodation. All right, and this is going to be for the beach. All right. Okay, so we have I won't be sure that's the right spelling. Yeah. Now, when necessary in the HTML, make sure that each image is displayed as 256 pixels wide while maintaining the aspect ratio. So obviously this is 265. No, sorry, this is okay, 265. Okay, yeah, 265. Okay, so obviously this is too big, so I'm going to right click on it, click on picture properties. So this is going to be 265. Okay, picture property, appearance 265, picture property, appearance 265. All right, now let's go ahead. Enter in cell I, that's the last one, web page last updated. Copy, followed by space, then your name, comma, center number, and candidate number. Okay, and I'm applying the history to it. Okay, add appropriate alternate text to all still images, and we have done that. Okay, and just so you want to verify, we can do the split. You can see that there's alternate image or alternate text to it, the alternative text to it, the alternate text to it. It's right there. So yep, we're good to go. Attach the style sheet 2032 to this web page. I'm going to save it. I'm going to attach it. Browse. Okay, it has been attached. Let me save. Come here and save it. Okay, not looking bad. Okay, so I think we're off to a good start. Set the name of the default target window to blank. So the name of the default target window to blank. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so right here we're going to click here. Okay, I'm going to right click, go to page properties. Yeah, default target frame. Whichever one it is, to new window. Yes, to new window. Yes, I'm going to add it. Okay, now if we go to the code, we're going to see here. So the target, under the head target, the base target is going to be blank. Okay, all right, let's move on. Create hyperlinks from the text location. So create hyperlink from the text location and from the image to open the web page. So we're creating the hyperlink both from the text and from the, okay, from the location and from the image. This, so both of them. Okay, so let's do that. So what I'm going to do right now is right here on my, I'm going to highlight this location. I'm going to hold my control. Let me see what this will give me. Good. I'm going to right click. It's not giving me that, guys. So obviously I'm going to do it one by one. Right click, hyperlink. So just one at a time. This is going to open the web page. Okay, so it's going to open the web page. Okay, I think we have the web page here. Okay, AB2 30. Yeah, to open this. Okay, it's going to open that. Okay, also the image. Right click, hyperlink. Okay, that's a 2032 ABs. Okay, so we can actually check the code to see that this image okay. Yes. Okay, that's done. Create a hyperlink from all the text placed in cell I, from all the text placed in cell I. Let's go back to check where is cell I. Okay, in cell I, from all the text placed in cell I. Okay, right click, hyperlink to what? To send an email message. Copy email with a subject line. Copy. Alright. Display the web page in your browser if necessary. Resize it so that did we attach the style sheet? Yes, we did. Okay, so we're done. Display the web page in your browser, resize it. So let me this here. Going to save. Okay, I'm going to move right here. Okay. Alright. I'm going to do something as I've always done. I'm going to go back and I'm going to select this, copy. I'm going to paste this in my code. Alright. All the page width can be seen. All the text can be easily read. The address bar is visible. Alright, so am I using here? I think I can do this. Okay, let me let me open it with Chrome and see if Chrome is going to be better. Like I said, this video is explaining every. Okay, so Hmm. Let's see. Let's see if this is better. Let's check. I'm trying to see which would be better to show. Okay, let me take this. Um, just so you know, this is meant to be a loan. If just in your exam, it needs to be a loan. So okay, let me see. I want to see the question. The address bar is visible. All text can be easily read. You know what we're going to do is this. For some reason, we're going to have to take a double screenshot because it's clear that I want all the text to be easily read. So I'm just going to take a screenshot right now and see to this. Probably take this. Okay. This is going to be where placed in evidence 2. Alright, so I'll have to take the other screenshot as well. No, I'm going to do this. Let me take another one. I'm going to take everything here and I'm going to crop. Okay. No worries. I'm going to crop this. Crop. Okay, it should be able to fit in there. Um, let me see. Okay, let me crop this as well. I'm going to do this as well as this. Oh, this is going to be a long. Okay. All right. It's important you know how to do this. Very important you know how to just. I think I'm still going to crop. Okay. Okay. Think we have a near perfect. Okay, so I think we have something. So probably the most important thing that everything needs to be seen, and we have done that. Okay, we have done that. Obviously you can do a more sleek work by practice, and you can just get it done. Okay, all right. Place in the HTML source in your editor. Take a copy of the HTML source and place this in your evidence document. I'm going to go here, right click, click on select all, right click, copy. This is going to be evidence 3. Right click, paste. I'm going to highlight it quickly. Right here, I'm going to remove the space after. Okay, I think we are done. The next thing is to print our evidence document. Please always print your evidence document in PDF. Very, very important. Please print them in PDF. Okay. This is going to be this one. I know which printout this is going to be. This is going to be printout 3. Please make sure your name, center number, candidate number appears on every page of your evidence document. Very important. Okay. Okay. So let's check the work. Well, I think I've passed it. Yeah, print out. For the life of me, where did I save this? I'm just going to look for it. Print. Oh, I saved it in AB folder. Okay. Cut it. So open it and check if it's very clear, that you can see it very well. And yeah, it's good. So we are done with this paper, right? We're done with it. It was, I think, particularly surprising because we didn't get to do anything on CSS, right? And which was a little bit weird. We're expecting that, but it wasn't there. But I think it was relatively easy. The tricky part is the video, adding your videos to ensure that it plays. Very, very important. How do you add it to ensure that it plays? And by the way, don't forget, I have a surprise for you. Trust me, you're gonna like it. And so what is the surprise? I want to introduce you to a YouTube channel. Yes, it is called Ajiro Tech. Yeah. Okay. Trust me, this channel is loaded with a lot of resource materials. It is everything to kill for. So please hop into this channel and subscribe to it and just make use of the available resource at your disposal. And I'm going to see you in my video next time. So please practice and practice. And don't forget that when you practice, you become perfect. And of course, a perfect practice gives you an outstanding result. I'm just going to play this and really cool. All right, bye.